Crescent Park Management Lp increased Td Ameritrade Hldg Corp, AMTD, stake by 4.31%, reported in 2017 Q2 SEC filing. Crescent Park Management Lp acquired 40,872 shares as Td Ameritrade Hldg Corp, AMTD. Stock declined 15.13%. The Crescent Park Management Lp holds 989,642 shares with $42.55 million value, up from 948,770 last quarter. Td Ameritrade Hldg Corp now has $25.49 billion valuation. The stock increased 1.86%, or 88 cents on October 20th, reaching $48.27. About 2.01 M shares traded. Td Ameritrade Holding Corp, New York Stock Exchange AMTD, has risen 21.10% since October 21, 2016 and is uptrending. It is outperformed by 4.40% the S&P 500. BW Gestao De Investimentos Ltda decreased Sealed Air Corp. C. Staked by 92.97%, reported in 2017 Q2 SEC filing. BW Gestao De Investimentos Ltda sold 464,854 shares as Sealed Air Corp. C. Stock declined 9.02%. The BW Gestao De Investimentos Ltda holds 35,146 shares with $1.57 million value, down from 500,000 last quarter. Sealed Air Corp. Now has $8.59 B valuation. The stock increased 2.40%, or $1.06 on October 20th, reaching $45.22. About 3.19 million shares traded, or 19.92% up from the average. Sealed Air Corp., New York Stock Exchange C, has declined 6.94% since October 21, 2016 and is downtrending. It is underperformed by 23.64% the S&P 500. Since June 15, 2017, it had 0 buys and 1 insider sale for $404,500 activity. Shares for $404,500 were sold by Maghalia Joseph H. on Thursday, June 15. Among 18 analysts covering Td Ameritrade, New York Stock Exchange AMTD, 7 have buy rating, 0 sell and 11 hold. Therefore 39% are positive. Td Ameritrade had 58 analyst reports since July 21, 2015 according to Stratton Xintel. The rating was maintained by Jefferies on Thursday, October 5 with hold. As per Thursday, January 21, the company rating was maintained by UBS. Barclays Capital downgraded the stock to equal weight rating in Wednesday, April 20 report. Keefe Bruyette & Woods initiated Td Ameritrade Holding Corp. Nasdaq AMTD, on Thursday, December 8 with MKT Perform rating. The stock of Td Ameritrade Holding Corp., Nasdaq AMTD, earned hold rating by Deutsche Bank on Friday, September 9. Citigroup maintained Td Ameritrade Holding Corp., Nasdaq AMTD, on Friday, August 14 with sell rating. The firm has hold rating given on Thursday, June 15 by Jefferies. The rating was upgraded by Wells Fargo to outperform on Monday, May 15. The firm earned equal weight rating on Thursday, October 5 by Morgan Stanley. The stock of Td Ameritrade Holding Corp., Nasdaq AMTD, has equal weight rating given on Tuesday, August 9 by Barclays Capital. Investors' sentiment is 1.05 in 2017 Q2. It's the same as in 2017 Q1. It is the same as 37 investors sold AMTD shares, while 83 reduced holdings. Only 34 funds opened positions, while 92 raised stakes. 477.60 million shares, or 0.81% more from 473.79 million shares in 2017 Q1 were reported. SNS Finance Limited (Com) has 0.45% invested in Td Ameritrade Holding Corporation, Nasdaq AMTD, for 39,700 shares. Wells Fargo and Company MN reported 3.06 million shares. Nordea Invem GmbH has invested 0% in Td Ameritrade Holding Corporation, Nasdaq AMTD. Glenmead Trust Company NA has 621,412 shares for 0.12% of their portfolio. 238,100 are held by Quantitative Invem GMT Limited Company. Wellington MGMT Grew LLP reported 11.87 million shares stake. Commonwealth Retail Bank of Australia has invested 0.01% in Td Ameritrade Holding Corporation, Nasdaq AMTD. Rafferty Asset LC reported 37,639 shares, or 0.05% of all its holdings. Amalgamated Retail Bank invested in 0.04%, or 25,879 shares. Virtu holds 0.04%, or 6,778 shares in its portfolio. Montrustco Bolton invested in 381,534 shares, or 0.9% of the stock. Investment Asset MGMT holds 0%, or 23,372 shares. SG America Securities Limited Liability Company holds 0.01% in Td Ameritrade Holding Corporation, Nasdaq AMTD, or 22,701 shares. Adv Investments Incorporated invested 0.58% of its portfolio in Td Ameritrade Holding Corporation, Nasdaq AMTD. Voya Limited holds 0.53% or 5.46 M shares. Analysts await Sealed Air Corporation, New York Stock Exchange (SE), to report earnings on October 26. They expect 47 cents EPS, down 33.80%, or 24 cents from last year's 71 cents per share. SE's profit will be $89.28 million for 24.05 PE, if the 47 cents EPS becomes a reality. After 35 cents actual EPS reported by Sealed Air Corporation for the previous quarter, Wall Street now forecasts 34.29% EPS growth. BW Gestao De Investimentos Ltda increased CLA stake by 3,700 shares to 4,700, valued at $4.37 million in 2017 Q2. It also upped Smucker, J.M. Company, New York Stock Exchange SJM, stake by 10,130 shares and now owns 20,130 shares. Carlyle Group, the Nasdaq's CG, was raised too. Among 14 analysts covering Sealed Air Corporation, New York Stock Exchange (SE), 6 have buy rating, 0 sell and 8 hold. Therefore 43% are positive. Sealed Air Corporation had 42 analyst reports since August 4, 2015 according to Stratton Xintel. BMO Capital Markets maintained the stock with hold rating in Friday, July 14 report. BMO Capital Markets maintained the shares of CN report on Friday, September 29 with hold rating. Goldman Sachs downgraded Sealed Air Corporation, New York Stock Exchange (SE) rating on Wednesday, April 5. Goldman Sachs has buy rating and $50 target. The firm has hold rating by Citigroup given on Thursday, September 7. IBS initiated the shares of CN report on Tuesday, August 23 with buy rating. The company was maintained on Thursday, June 15 by Jefferies. The rating was maintained by Jefferies on Wednesday, April 19 with hold. The rating was initiated by RBC Capital Markets on Friday, February 19 with outperform. On Thursday, July 13 the stock rating was maintained by RBC Capital Markets with hold. On Friday, June 9 the stock rating was maintained by BMO Capital Markets with hold.